KC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back and welcome to the eve of Friday before the big holiday weekend, and the weather pattern unsettled for the last day of February, and that's the way it's going to go into the first few days of March. But eventually we settle on windy and cold as we go into early next week. Got a couple of nice days ahead next week, but it is going to feel like winter for sure, especially from Monday on through Mardi Gras and Ash Wednesday as well. Justin Terro here, getting the shutter speed just right so you can see the raindrops, the water spouts, and the showers across the area this afternoon. It's been a wet afternoon, and it's going to continue for several hours more. Big picture across the lower 48 has not changed. More snow in the Midwest, or sometimes it's the Great Lakes or the Northeast, but another storm system there. More rain in the Southeast, and that's impacting all the rivers that are in flood stage across portions of the Mississippi and the Ohio. We'll be watching that closely. More snow's on the way for the Rockies. Another winter storm watch in effect for the Sierra Nevada. Next storm system coming in is going to impact central and southern California. And oh, by the way, all of California's drought has just about been completely eliminated. Check out my latest tweet or Facebook post a little bit earlier in the day regarding that. Meanwhile, locally, we've seen an upper level disturbance, one that was a lot stronger embedded in the subtropical jet stream than what we were anticipating. So rain and storms coming in, and they came in, and they are soaking us this afternoon, with some spots catching an inch or two of rain. Here's some of the heavier action right now, right across eastern portions of Cameron Parish into southwestern Vermilion Parish, mostly in the marsh just north of Pecan Island. Some locally heavy downpours toward Lake Charles. We move off to the east. Heavy downpours in around the Kaplan area. Some of these heavy rains and rumbles of thunder on the way for the Forked Island, Cow Island area as well. And more solid rains as we get into Lafayette Parish, Upper St. Martin Parish, and farther to the north, even some hefty storms for our friends in northern portions of Avoyelles Parish back through Rapide. So it's busy just about everywhere. Lighter rains as we get into St. Mary Parish, but you already have seen an inch or two of rain. So after all is said and done, it looks like 2 or 3 inches of rain for many folks, an inch for most of us, but the bottom line, wetter than anticipated, and that's what happens in these El Nino patterns. We do have a front coming on down, and notice the temperatures in the 70s today across Acadiana, but Alexandria, Fort Polk in the 50s. You get into the 40s, 30s up toward Dallas. They were in the upper 20s, and they had ice there up there earlier today, so it could be a lot worse. And interesting, as you go on I-10, it's 57 in Beaumont, 46 over in Houston. Now, we're not going to get that cool. We'll favor upper 50s close to home, but areas up toward Alexandria may dip down into the 40s for tonight. So here comes that front. The showers beginning to depart off to the east by 10, 11 o'clock tonight. Things will settle down. Maybe some misty drizzle or light fog, but we're going to have a north wind, so that fog may have a hard time developing for sure. And then as we head into tomorrow, this is the high resolution rapid refresh model. I like this model, indicating the threat of scattered showers, mainly 9 to 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, and that with a weak disturbance, and that pushes off to the east. Then we'll be watching that frontal boundary off to the southeast. That's going to be moving back northward as a warm front as we head into Saturday, and that means a few scattered showers Saturday afternoon. I think we're going to be okay for the Crew Bonaparte Parade, but maybe some light rain or drizzle as we head into the evening hours. Big action is going to be developing with this storm system that's going to probably produce severe weather, especially north and east of Acadiana proper, but we may be hatched in for a moderate risk, and we're probably going to catch about a ½ inch to an inch of rain, and in this El Nino pattern, maybe 2 inches of rain in spots, and you certainly see that off to the east. Temperature-wise, we're looking at 50s tonight, upper 40s to lower 50s to the north, 60s to the south. Then tomorrow, we'll manage to get into the upper 60s to lower 70s, so seasonable temperatures. Tomorrow night, we stay planted in the 60s with fog in the forecast, and then your Saturday temperatures warming up nicely into the mid to upper 70s, and it stays in the 70s for the Bonaparte Parade as we head into Saturday evening. So tonight, 100% chance of rain early, but showers diminishing late. 58 your low, 73 the high tomorrow, mainly mid-morning showers, mostly cloudy skies, but maybe a few breaks in the afternoon. Saturday, we'll keep that rain chance at about 40%, 100% on Sunday for the afternoon hours, and then we head into Lundi Gras and Mardi Gras. Temperatures mostly in the 30s and 40s. Wind chills mostly in the 30s, but could dip down into the upper 20s for both Monday and Tuesday mornings. Less wind after Mardi Gras, but at least we'll see the sun for Fat Tuesday.
All right.